Hey everybody, Sarah here with Sarah Travels Happy, and this is going to be our guided room tour of a 1BG, that's a one-bedroom villa in the Key West Village at Beaches, Turks and Caicos. And as you can see, I'm starting here with the central courtyard just to show you guys how calm and peaceful it is. Lots of places to sit and relax. If you want to enjoy the hustle and bustle and then retreat to your own quiet place, then Key West is going to be the place to do that. So this is going to be room 6308, and I'm going to take a look at this. So a little bit about the Key West Village. Key West Village is actually condo style accommodations. They actually have condos, and then they also have houses, everything from 1 bedroom up to 4 bedrooms. There are actually accommodations that will sleep well over 10 people. And we even have 4-bedroom butler villas right on the ocean that have private pools. Okay, so this is a very different type of accommodation from the seaside villa. So we're gonna start here. We do have our full-size kitchen with a full-size refrigerator. There is a stove in here. It has been disabled because with 23 dining options on property, who wants to cook anyway? But we do have a functioning microwave, lots of storage, dishwasher, full sink. We got our coffee station. Now this particular room is not butler level, it's concierge level, so you do not see the selection of breakfast cereals pre-done, and you're also not gonna see the bar because this is a resort for kids. When you're concierge, they do just ask you to drop by the lobby or Club Sandals and request your liquor there, just for safety for the kids. So as you can see, we do have that full kitchen, also with a dining bar here, telephone, there's our meet and greet packet, and our in-room amenity, just welcoming us here, a nice, fresh fruit plate. You'll notice this door here, this is a lock-off. So this 1-bedroom condo does sleep 5, but you could book 2 of these side by side and comfortably have 10 at that concierge level. So right in front of our kitchen, we do have a generous sized dining table. And then we have our Beaches trundle bed where we have the 2 twin size beds on top of each other. Dressers, living area to sit and relax. Lots more storage, dresser, TV. And of course, we're gonna sleep 5 in here, so that 5th person is actually gonna be in a rollaway, okay? So once we go out, you're gonna see that we have a huge balcony, again, with another generous sized dining table right here. And then 2 chaise loungers, drying our swimsuits right there. And just so that you guys can see how beautiful and peaceful and serene it is, almost like you're in a completely different world from the Italian village or even the seaside village in the Caribbean village. Bayside restaurant down there. But what you're seeing in front of you, these are the houses, the villas. So they are multi-story, 2 and 3-story accommodations up to 4 bedrooms. And the ones by the ocean do have that full pool with butler service. So we are on our patio, 2 loungers, and then we're gonna go right through this other door just so I can show you how convenient we have access to the master bedroom, bedside tables, clock, comfy, full-size bed or king-size bed, and another dresser, plenty of storage, TV here, and then we have a split bath here. So we have 1 sink. Okay, and we have a closet here, very generous, has our robes in it and room for, I think we have 4 suitcases in there right now. This is the master bath with your 2nd sink. And then a generously sized walk-in tile shower with a large overhead spray and a handheld spray. Okay, great for washing sand off after a day at the beach. We'll walk back out. Last thing I'm going to show you guys is we have 1 other bathroom. So we have another bathroom here. Again, generously sized tiled shower And just know that when you do book the 1-bedroom condo, you can get 1 or 2 bathrooms. We chose 2 bathrooms because with 3 kids, less squabbling makes everyone happy. So again, this is the 1BG, 1-bedroom, Key West condo villa with 2 bathrooms. And my name is Sarah Salter. If you'd like to book this or any other room at Beaches, Turks, and Caicos for your next family vacation, destination wedding, or family reunion, just give me a call or Google me, Sarah Travels Happy. Bye.